Oh, so this thing is a norm now. Yokuthi amantombazana adlale ngabafana. I'm starting to feel like gents are catching more feelings than girls recently. And I don't know what is happening. Kanti sesamajita njani manje? Why are we being more in love than guys, kwenzakalani ngathi? Ngisho lento lena because I've just seen this scene kamawethu ezama express ama feelings wakhe le ntombazane le uPortia, but uPortia wathi angizingene bhuti. When I'm just playing around. So yokuthi wena unama feelings wakho that developing inkinga yakho leyo. Please don't ruin. And amagama atshela ukukhuluma ngamajita understand uqaleni lento lokhuluma ngamantombazane. Guys, what is happening in South Africa? Jesu. Come on, let us talk about this and more here on this video. But before we start the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Yes, mina ngibule relationship isaqala uthi no man, there's something off about this. Le ntombazane le uPortia, like there's something that is off about her. Ngathi akayona ithabu lema relationships. Ngathi ushaya ama hit and run azidlulele kanti uhlangene with a good guy, like a lover boy. Uma wethu manje nayo inkinga. If ngikhumbula kahle, uma wethu was in love with uZoleka, like deeply in love with uZoleka, but uZoleka reject. Now walandela ngoqhawe. Deeply in love with uqhawe. As much as our boys cabanga ukuthi you know, I've said this even on my previous videos ukuthi I love what Inimba is doing with this guy. The guy is good looking, like he's handsome, tall, dark, whatever. Lento le nina amantombazane nithandayo. So now I was saying ukuthi I love lento Inimba that is doing about this guy. Ukuthi abe muhle njalo. Bese angawathanda amantombazane because everyone was expecting him ukuthi abe lo muntu lothanda amantombazane everything. Like his character on Fatal Seduction. Wonke umuntu befuna ukuthi abe lento leyo. But then umuntu relaxele, lover boy, thande yonke intombazane ahlangana nawo. Like even now, buka lo mjintsombe kanjani. Uthi uzohlala intombazane le ipapela yena. I don't understand what is happening, and I think I've seen this thing happen even on real life. Lapho khona amajita mtswemba, amajita right, amajita who have everything. Umjita ubona ukuthi ufuna yonke intombazane khona emhlabeni but apampelwe by this one girl ayithanda ngempela. So I don't know. I just feel like this whole situation or this whole plot or storyline was a bit exciting. I think she's sayijudge le show, you know, looking at the storylines ka Sydney, uMakazethu, uZethu, Hlathi, uThumeka, mawethu, and this girl. Now, like, I think this whole story is coming together now. I think she's sayijudge Inimba by saying ukuthi seqala ukubhora and everything. I think this show is really becoming exciting. And as about you guys, I could be wrong. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video. And if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous video.